Good morning. Good morning. I have no pain for my face yet. Good morning. Why me I tell us a one piece of sitting over there? Where me I come from Manhattan, you know. I said to myself, you know, me I go do? I go and wax my eyebrow because I've been growing my eyebrow for a while as my face was looking so messy. I then want to cut it and it messed up. So I go to the Chinese place now and say, you know what? I'm going to wax my eyebrow, but I was coming from Manhattan. I'm the well one PP. So I asked the guy who always do my eyebrow, I said to him, say, you have a bathroom here? Come right to the bathroom before it. He said, go next door. He said with the attitude, it's like, go next door, go next door. So I said to myself, so why would he tell me go next door, you know? Me go next door is an African store, the African people my breed here, you know. So I said to myself, say, why the hell would he tell me to go into somebody else's store if I got to ask me for them bathroom? And I spend my money with. Anyway, we come back in, and the lady said to me, of course you have bathroom here, look around the corner. Why you being so mean? Why you being so mean? You know, so I go in here and people me come out. Me hear a big argument out with the woman. I tell them so they must respect black people. And then come and spend their money and the man have an attitude. So I come out and say, what the hell is going on here? What the hell is going on here? What's going on one of my eyebrow? And she attack. Him get a fucking attitude. In wife way having ex-Chinese woman fly down. Da-da-da. And this and that, you know, go. Come and set up a talk to the woman. So I say, go where? I'm talking to the woman. Why you running me? Why you running me for? What me doing? You know, must have blood clot respect for people, Chinese blood clot girl. Donkey throat, blood clot, sack, cocky throat, bitch. Donkey throat, bitch. I have respect for black people. When they come and spend the money, I get them nails done. I get them foot done. I take like a dirty water and dash pan. I use the same old dirty clipper them. Want to clip it full of blood clot germs. And clip out people toenail when they get fungus to the nail. Because I use it for every blood clot body. Don't go one, they have one clipper for everybody. One time tries a clipper till you start rust upon it. Rust upon it, a blood clot. And I say, yo, my name is supposed to cuss, excuse me, this morning. Can me tell myself if I stop cuss, because I want to like, but me tell you so much rust upon it. It's a shame. When I think I do people nail. And I saw now, me get so vexed now. When me left me come home and take one of them shavers sitting and cut up my eyebrow and fuck up the whole eye because I was so upset. And I was like, you know what? Yeah. So I try to do it myself and I end up with no eyebrow and two like a black spot. I hate that. I hate that, you know, I look pan. I don't know why them do that. You got these places sometimes them box like a water by your foot. And after them box like a water by your foot and dry them, you can put some nail polish on it and cover over the dirt and send you out to the shop. Something you're gonna do your foot and you spend $60, $70 for your hand and foot. And in 2 days you look worse than how it was before. You sit in the blue sit when you have another back when you use wash your foot with. The powder blue sit when they put in the water make your foot tough like a cow skin when the cow skin hard for boil. Tough, me tell you. That blue sit when they put in the water now wash off your foot make your foot tough. It makes some white, make your foot look terrible. Couple days from your foot then look dry and look whitey like your foot them never did done. I tricks man. Them have a lot of tricks, me tell you. Them Chinese people not easy, you know. I love everybody, but them not easy. Them very tricky. If I want to do nails, $20 for you. Want to cut nails, $7 more for you. Boyfriend will like for you. If you cut down nail like this sexy nail for you, boyfriend like for you. Yeah, boyfriend love for you. You're nice lady for you. Boyfriend like you a lot, I can tell. Your boyfriend like you. Yes, my boyfriend like me. My boyfriend like me. You charge me extra. And one time I go down there one place and I go do my lash master. I will tell him to put the lash on my eye. I go down there and see this lash thing I come in so much you do and say, alright. It's $25. But today I can do $20 for you. You say, okay. I do. You go inside and put the lash for your eye. That's still lash. Open eyes. Your eye start to roll of water like a ball, like somebody a beat you. Your eye just a run water. You know you can blink. Don't blink. Fuck. Don't blink. And then put the lashes in your eye. Now this whole heap of lashes stick by your eye. This whole heap of blasted lash by your eye. You can't even see good. When me have a lash from me, you couldn't see good. It come like an umbrella over my head because me have this big, dark, long shadow over my head. Them like umbrella over your head. You can't see which part you go. You tumble down. The damn lash to make you fall down. You can't see where you go. The damn lash them big and long for your eye. This big old crispy thing feel like cardboard. And then the glue is hard up on your eye. When you're looking at the mirror, you take a look. All of the lashes then start to drop out. Left 2 little lash each up on the side. 2 upon the side and no lash line in the middle. When you go back to them and put in $10 for you, couple more lash. You put the $10, you put a couple more lash. And you put in it. And when you put in it done, 2 more days after you wash your face and then the whole of your eye white. The whole of your eye like the lash to my collect matter. The lash them start to become tired for your eye. The lash them start to collect pure matter and whitey for your eye. You see some girl come like a flower upon their lashes. This whole nasty thing look like dry up nose knot. You understand? And when you go back and put more upon the same dry up nose knot, some of them then take one sitting and pull it off. Tweeze and pull it off your eye. Painful. And when they try to patch on back on the cloth patch, can you no lash to the pandy. And ma, when you put the lash up on your eye and take off your natural eyebrow, if you think you're ugly before, you're ugly worse. You're ugly worse. When you see them blasted lash start to fall off, you see, and you don't have no money, and the nail them broke off, you end up with 2 long nail and 2 little lash, boy, that's what you call a hot mess. And when you're walking in the night, sorry if your eye burn you, you know. Them are put more glue for your eye, more lash. I can fix for you. $15 for you, I fix. Yeah? So be careful with your eye. You don't need the eye if you see. And be careful in the bottom. You don't need the bottom if you do, you can't be doing anal sex. Be careful in the body parts them. You don't can't have a body parts careless people come play up in her. Like when the mama carry Aki go all instead market. You have to be careful. This blasted long lash will blind you. And sometimes when they glue it on, it don't even look good. It look like how me look sometimes when you dress up like a fucking masquerade. This big old long lash you can't see where you go. Nowadays people start put lashes on them dollar van, lashes on them car. On the car and the dollar van, me see I wear lash so long. Not no human being.